In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install WordPress on A2 hosting using their quick setup feature. This process will guide you through setting up your WordPress website swiftly and efficiently, even if you are new to website building or hosting. First things first, you'll want to log into your A2 hosting client portal. If you're not sure where to find this, it's typically provided in your welcome email upon signing up for hosting services. Simply click on Login and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, the next step is to navigate to your cPanel, which is where most of the magic happens. In your client portal, there should be an option to log into cPanel. Click on that to get started with the nuts and bolts of setting up your website. Now that you're in the cPanel, take a moment to scroll down until you see the software section. This is where you'll find a variety of tools and applications that can be installed on your server. Look for and click on Softaculous Apps Installer. This handy tool makes installing applications like WordPress a breeze by automating much of the process for you. Once Softaculous opens up, you'll be faced with a variety of applications you can install. Here, you're going to select WordPress. It's commonly featured given its popularity, so you should have no trouble locating it. Click on WordPress and then move on to pressing Install Now. This will bring you to the configuration page where you'll set up the specifics for your WordPress installation, such as your domain and login information. Choose your domain from the drop-down menu. If you have multiple domains, ensure you select the right one. If you want WordPress installed in a subfolder like yourdomain.com/blog, you can specify that as well. If you wish to install WordPress on the main domain, just leave the directory field blank. Next, you'll need to provide a site name and a brief description. This is what visitors will see and can always be changed later in the WordPress settings. The admin setup is key. Set a username, a secure password, and provide a valid email address. These credentials will be used to log into your WordPress admin panel once the installation is complete. Keep scrolling down to select your preferred language for the WordPress interface and choose a theme if you'd like. Don't worry if you can't decide right now. The default theme can always be changed later. Once satisfied with your configuration, click Install and let the setup run its course. This typically takes less than a minute. After the installation completes, you will see your WordPress admin URL, which usually follows the format yourdomain.com/wp-admin. Click on that URL to log in using your admin credentials. And there you have it. You're all set to start building your WordPress website, customizing it to your taste,